Hey everyone, we're here to go ahead and unbox this Intel Core i7. We'll go ahead and take a look at exactly what comes in the box and the processor and also the stock cooling fan. You can see this is the 4790K, the LGA 1150. Here's the processor right here. You can see the viewing window on the box. Go ahead and cut the tape here to get this box open. Go ahead and pull out the interior cardboard. Alright. Got a couple of manuals here. I'll talk about the processor itself and probably some installation of it. And we have our stock cooling fan that comes with the processor. Got some pre-applied thermal paste on it. Go ahead and pull it out. Just be careful not to touch the thermal paste if you're going to use this fan. See, it's got the feet where you will actually install it onto the board. And we have our processor. Now the socket on these do matter, so make sure you're using the right socket for your actual board. You can see that it has a little tiny arrow here in the corner, which will line up with the board itself to tell you how to actually put this in correctly onto the motherboard before you latch it down. It's very important. You don't want to break any pins. Pretty simple unboxing here. I mean, nothing too special, just a stock fan and a processor. There you have it. If you want to watch the installation of this, go ahead and look in the description for the link, and I'll show you how to go ahead and install this processor into a motherboard.